The future of artificial intelligence, a comprehensive guide. Healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools are revolutionizing healthcare. From early disease detection to personalized treatment plans, AI's analytical capabilities are improving patient outcomes and reducing medical costs. Transportation. Self-driving cars have hit the roads, promising safer journeys, reduced traffic congestion, and increased fuel efficiency. The transportation industry is set to undergo a radical transformation thanks to AI's advancements. Education. AI-driven adaptive learning platforms are catering to individual student needs, making education more accessible and engaging. Virtual tutors, interactive simulations, and automated assessments are reshaping the learning experience. Finance. AI is redefining the financial sector with predictive analytics, fraud detection, and algorithmic trading. Smart chatbots provide instant customer support, enhancing user experience and efficiency. Manufacturing. Intelligent robots are streamlining production processes, ensuring precision and maximizing productivity. The smart factories of the future will be fully automated and data-driven. Expert 1. Ethics. AI should be developed with ethical principles in mind. Transparent decision-making algorithms, fairness, and accountability are crucial to building trust with users. Expert 2. Safety. Robust safety measures must be in place to prevent AI from causing harm. Ensuring AI systems cannot be easily manipulated is essential to prevent malicious use. Expert 3. Employment. While AI may replace some jobs, it also creates new opportunities. Upskilling and reskilling the workforce will be essential to adapt to the changing job landscape.